Bamboo Bicycle Club is a brand that takes a unique approach when it comes to sustainability. While other brands are studying the development of cutting-edge composites to reduce weight and improve rigidity, Bamboo Bicycle Club, as the name suggests, makes use of an abundantly available natural resource, bamboo. Indeed, bamboo bikes are nothing new, but Bamboo Bicycle Club offers a fun, interesting way of making your dream bamboo bike a reality. Instead of selling ready-to-ride bamboo bikes, Bamboo Bicycle Club offers build packages on its website. Here, you can custom build your own bike and choose from a wide selection of frame configurations, components packages, and even electric motors for some models. The company says that its DIY nature not only saves money and allows the brand to sell its products at an affordable price, it also makes shipping to customers easier and more cost-effective. You can browse the brand's selection of frame configurations on its website, but its most recent innovation is particularly interesting, and could go a long way when it comes to last-mile delivery in the urban setting. As you're probably aware, electric cargo bikes are fast becoming mainstream in the last-mile delivery sector. A lot of companies are realizing the benefits of these practical two-wheelers, especially when it comes to reducing the time it takes to reach customers. Bamboo Bicycle Club's electric cargo bike is interesting because it focuses on versatility, configurability, and sustainability. The new cargo e-bike is made out of guadua bamboo, flax, and recycled aluminum to reduce its carbon footprint. Like other models from Bamboo Bicycle Club, it's delivered flat-packed to the customer and can easily be assembled with a set of basic tools. That being said, just because it's made of simple materials doesn't mean it isn't durable. The company claims that the e-cargo bike has a load capacity of 250 kilograms and has natural vibration absorption, presumably thanks to the elasticity of the bamboo, for improved comfort and cargo protection. Apart from coming up with creative concepts surrounding the use of bamboo in two-wheeled transport, Bamboo Bicycle Club takes pride in its charitable projects in Africa, particularly in Kenya, Rwanda, and Ethiopia. Here, the company conducts workshops and classes that teach locals to build their own bamboo bicycles.